cut them cookies up, like you talked about. But what's up, my brother?
So you got one, not much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are you looking more to get?
Till your chainsaw breaks down, brother. Slice them up for me, because I'll make a table with what's left over. Hey, I pulled this out, you know?
Yeah.
And my very first tractor that I've had with me since 95 now. So what are we going on, 22 years? And when I got it, it was painted Battleship Gray. And then I brushed it with Sail Blue from Rust-Oleum with a brush.
Yeah.
But every time I kick my leg over this thing, it's almost like I don't want to fix it up. You know, it's just pure reliability and pure joy, you know. I know how.
You shouldn't even change the grill. You should have left the grill on there.
But that was, you know, I still have it, but I got the hood and the grill, and I got the dash that I got to put on, but I don't know if I'll paint it. But I know how it smells when it starts. I know the little, you know, where the choke needs to be and when it needs to go back in. It's
yeah, very cool.
Did you get the 15?
No.
No.
It was sold. No. I was thinking about Wednesday, and then I was on the road a lot for work, and I got home, and I don't know, the hour drive just wasn't doing it.
Yeah.
Since like getting back in the van again. So I pushed it off another day, and then it was sold. Now maybe it sold Wednesday, I don't know, but did you get the picture of it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, pretty cool.
That was nice, real nice. Would have been the first Briggs in the whole group.
But that's fine. I need to move some out anyways.
Yeah, same here. Broom them.
But so
all right. So on the agenda is we're gonna cut some cookies, and I'll pull another trailer around with another Suburban. I'll split wood. I already cut that up, so, and then I have some more around the side that needs to be cut up, some maple. See how this goes. I got the parts for the chainsaw. We can put the chainsaw back together.
Oh, good idea.
Right here.
Let's see. Did you fart around with it at all? Clean it up or anything?
I haven't touched it all other than the day we left it. Oh, you're looking underneath the panties. I gotta turn that radio off just a minute. Hold this. You're blocking it. What'd you do? Set me down?
Huh? Oh.
What side does that go on? You're on the wrong side.
Where's the parts?
Right here. You probably have this manual, right? This one came with one of the orange ones.
Mm.
You know what I like about it? Oh, where is it? The instructions.
I like the pictures.
There's a video there, huh? Always remember to clean your screen frequently.
Which book is this? Oh.
25520.
And then that one, I've got that one.
Yeah, I've got a couple of these somewhere, but this one. And then we got the, is this an LT? What is this? The LT10, Murray built.
Yeah.
Stamped steel.
Very nice.